Welcome back everybody. So I took a little break from YouTube, from the garage, from everything. I wanted to spend a little time with my family, with my friends. So for the past week I haven't been in the garage, I haven't done any filming there, but I did make a little video with my friend's M4, which I'm going to play now, and I hope you enjoy it. The video you're about to see, if you enjoy it, let me know down below if you would like to see more of videos like this. We'll go back to normal videos next week. See you then.